You didn't think I was gonna pop up, did you? Look at the weather. Look how beautiful it is inside. Corrected this 2017 Range Rover. It was all scratched and swirled up. I mean, look at all this mess. It's just... Sometimes dealerships do this. Yeah, I'm always drinking something. But look how pretty it is. I mean, it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. I wish it could be out in the sun. I topped it off with a premier sealant. I topped it off with a premier sealant. It's gonna last about 3 months. I'm thirsty again. Not everything gets a ceramic coating. Top 5 times of Acadiana best of 2019. Just because it's used doesn't mean it can't look brand new. I don't self-proclaim to be the best. I'm just very good at what I do, and a lot of people have voted me to be the best. I've had 5 awards. Let's see if it's gonna happen again this year for 2019.